Akapea mbadde ndabika guy. Ate yezikuwadde yo yennyini. Wabula nze weezigaana. Ezitutte. Hi guys, it is raining. It is raining, a whole lot of rain. It has been raining since morning. I have dropped somebody. Today we are not waiting at the arrivals, but the arrivals is full. It is literally full. The arrivals is full, the parking is full, everything is full. So all these people are at the arrivals. They're waiting for their people. It is raining. It has been raining since morning. I think you can see. The ground is wet. All the cars have water on them and stuff. The parking is full. I've just paid for parking and I'm moving out. So I always show you me coming in. Today I'm going to show you me moving out. This is the arrival. This is where people come from. I did not get the departure because I was letting someone out. I literally wouldn't, start recording stuff when, you know what I mean. Somebody is going to put me bifananyi mu migugu gya muntu. You know what I mean? But the arrivals is full. Abantu babava wasimanyi, but as you can see, mulaba abantu. Buli omu alinda muntu we. Arrivals is full to the max. The parking is full as well to the max. Buli omu ali wano alinda muntu. Since we are done paying for parking, let's head out. Mbakwatire as you're moving out. As you're moving out to somewhere, wow, Entebbe Nayenga. Arrival here, Mujilaba. Let's have a look. Wow. Bueno, this is where you stand. I have very many videos that show you how you get here. If you have not watched them, please run and watch. Literally run and watch. So everyone here is waiting for someone, sort of the same as the other time when people were coming back from Mecca. But today I do not know why people are this many, but oh well. We are heading out. It is raining. We are heading out. It is usually when I'm entering. Today let me give you when I'm moving out. Yeah, thank you for being here. I have many other videos of the airport. If you would like more details about how you enter, what you do and everything, you can check them out. Have motoka y'omusajja bannange. Munabe motoka yo ene ino obuntu. Ati obulira abaavu. Mbwene ino obuntu. I like the one. Which one do I have? No. I like the one that doesn't have handles. You know, these handles, there is that one that doesn't have handles. Anyway, we'll get there. So this is the airport. Departures are up there, then arrivals are down here. So when you come in from the other side, then you go up, departure, newetolola, noja wano kwa arrival. Enkuba yine etonya, ndimo umbrella, arrivals izo, the parking is full. Leero na parking somewhere that side. It was full. I don't know now. Someone was moving out. So, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Abanyumira video nsaba ku thumbs up, mumpeka thumbs up. Enkuba yine etonya. Abanyumira video nsaba ku thumbs up. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know. I appreciate the comments, people letting me know what they want to see. Thank you for taking your time to comment. Thank you for taking your time to like. Bambi like, mumpeku comment, please subscribe. Yeah. So, eri wagulu. Yeah. Departure 101C. Yeah, arrival. Yeah. Ndimo umbrella. Mpulidde ennyonyi mbadde ngenda gibakwatira naye siraba waweeri. Anyway, let's head out people. So mulaba kaneno kagamba kilometers to Kampala kaka mukalaba kilometers to Kampala, kilometers to Munyonyo, kilometers to Jinja, kilometers to Masaka. Waliwo wano wa Uber parking nze. Alright, let's head out people. Parking enough nye no. Kambalageko tunakomako wetukomye. But this is it. Alright, so guys, it is raining. You are going to excuse the wipers. Kambafulume ku kisaawe ky'Entebbe. I am coming out of the parking now. I'm coming out of the parking. Kakati, where there are those blue things, Mugena Bulaba. You see those blue things on the left? That is the long stay parking. Omuntu ayagala okujja ku long stay parking wano wa parkinga. Kati, this is the road out. Oli mu kugenda. Hey! Enkuba yo mugenda gisonyiwa. Nayo mulabe. Mulabe egundi enkuba byekoze screen. Mama nyabo. What? Jokes aside, I had a way to call SC. It won't clear up very soon. Oh, I've put on the SC, it's clearing up. Sorry about that, people. Oh yeah, that's better now, is it not? You've missed out on all the good parts. You've missed out on the good parts, but this is the exit. So wajawano eshuma kino ngashirawa number plate yo. If you've paid, it lets you go. You're going to see. If you have not, it does not open. Okay, so you come here like that. What is she in the she's a good day. No, I know most of you people know this, but there are those people who do not know, yeah? So I don't want anyone up there in the comments saying most people do know, but some people do not know. So I put it out there. Abamanyi, nabatamanyi, everyone is welcome. So, Natadeko SC, which is why the Naviramu is clear now. Not to say yeah tugenda. This is the way back to town. As you can see, to say yeah. I think it's better when the sun is out, don't you think? All the green is nice and everything, yeah? Yeah. They tried with this road. Entebbe in the rain. Entebbe in the Naba speed javuga mu nkuba. Omulabye? Hey! Ebyo no. Entebbe in the rain. On the right hand side are the beaches. Waliokoko Beach, Imperial, Koko Beach, Walio Lido. On the right hand are the beaches. Alright, so what else to see here? If you've been hearing the UN nisimera ku base ya UN ekuba erigendayo is on my left. Kino ekikubo kino on my left kyekigenda ku UN ekyo kyekya UN. What do we have here? Enkuba y'omugisonyiwe naye ebyenkuba weebityo. Wipers when zitekako ne ziwipinga nnyo, you will sort of not be seeing anything apart from the wiping. Bira obumuli obulungi obumyufu bulaba ubwo. Anyway guys, next time I'm here when the sun is shining, I'll get you a better video. Na ye mubimanyi come rain come sunshine bani n'okubaweereza mwawe tugamba nti tubaweereze mu sunshine yekka, tuli mu rainy season mazzi baweereze. So nzuno ndiwo okubaweereza come rain come sunshine. Yebyo nga wenkulinda enzira Kampala ku ssaawa zino. But this is it. I thought the rain would be done by now. It has been raining since morning. It is now coming to 3 p.m. Naye enkuba eremezaamu. Omanya eremezaamu yenkuba ya leero eremezaamu. Naye naffe tugitambuliddemu. Eringa yatukuba nga tuddukira kabaka. Enkuba yatuswanyula yatusakata. Guys, I don't think you're seeing anything anymore. Are you? When I come back here, ngomsana gwaka bulungi, I'll get for you a video when I'm leaving the airport here. But as for now, bino wiper when sako zidduka nnyo mugenda mba temulina kyemulaba apart from the wipers. Wesiziteekako kudduka enkuba ng'ebaziba. Kale ensonga enkulu eri nti content wa leero yakalubyemu. Oh God, content wa leero yakalubyemu. But anyway, this is me thanking you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching always. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for everything. Enkuba etonya naye era mumpe ku like, mumpe ku comment, mumpe ku subscribe. Era kale paka wenda balekerayo ka video akalala. Onsonyiwe, but that's it for today. I really wanted to show you the airport, but ebyaleero biganyemu katulinda omusana nga gwaka. Mwebale kubeerawo, mwebale kujja. Ano yeyongera bweyongezi singa badde erekerawo ogamba nali kutte nenkwata until you know what I mean. Yeyongera abadde atya yeyongera bweyongezi. Ndowooza mukiraba wipers zirina okuwayipingira ddala. Naye nga that is the State House, people. Do you see that green over there? That is the State House. On the left hand side is the State House for President Museveni. Naye wano kati mbasijiraba bulungi, but let me see. No, you're not State House. Mujiraba on the left. Akwate camera tunudde maaso. Naye eyo yonna State House. Kakati kanzire Kampala. Webale kujja tukomyawo leero. Enkuba eganye. Enkuba come on man. Wamba mwebale kujja. Small esite kyakola. Guys, bye bye.